Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Berat, Albania, and I'm gonna go cross the bridge and then I'll show you the surprise on the other side. Let's go do it. So this is the, I think it's the old, no, this is the new bridge, right? Is that, it doesn't really say. And that one way down there is the old bridge, right? Yeah, I think that's right. So this one's the new bridge. It's a suspension bridge, hence the cables. And it's pretty cool, but everybody comes here and you can see over there the city and all the amazing stuff. And the city's split into two by this river. You know, it's kind of like Budapest. Buda on one side, Pest on the other side. But this is Berat on one side and Berat on the other side. But this is the suspension bridge we're crossing. But let me show you something amazing. Oh my gosh, is that amazing? This is why they call this the city of 1,000 windows, and it goes all the way around the corner, but this is the golden view. And I don't know if you can see it up on top of the hill up there. There's a castle, but look at all the windows, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it's pretty darn amazing, everybody. And there are just a crap load of windows. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is that incredible? Okay, let's cross the bridge some more. And then we'll take it from the other side. Because I think there's supposed to be a picture point or something here. I don't know. Maybe it's right in the middle of the bridge. I don't know for sure. There's a church over there that looks pretty amazing, and a little hotel motel type thing, and oh wow, the bridge bounces. That's amazing. How you doing? And so that's the lady that is across the hall from me in my hotel room. Wow. What do you think of this valley? Imagine this has been, so I think if I understood something else right, this was like one of the oldest cities in Europe, like one of the oldest. I don't know exactly. I'll have to do some more research and find out exactly, but let me just pan across this hillside for you one more time. And it is pretty slick. Wow, wow. I love that you can see the castle, and it really hangs over a cliff up there. Let me zoom in up there, and I'll do that I think probably tomorrow morning. I think I would like to see it in the morning. Wow, very cool. Well, let's finish crossing the bridge as it bounces. And you can see the people down here taking pictures and such. And maybe this is the picture point down here or something. It really is a bouncy little bridge. Wow, it's kind of a neat picture with the bridge right there too, huh? Very cool. Okay, everybody. Amazing. Very cool. Bye, everybody.